Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Simple Energy Mark-2 e-scooter. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe and press bell icon. Simple Energy Mark-2 e-scooter to debut on August 15 announced that its flagship e-scooter code-named Mark-2 will be launched in India. The two-wheeler is expected to offer a minimalist yet futuristic design and pack a 4.8 kWh lithium-ion battery that will deliver a range of up to 240 km in economy mode. It will also offer a top speed of 100 km per hour. Simple Energy's Mark-2 was spotted testing last month. As per the leaked images, it will have a streamlined design with a headlamp mounted on front apron, a flat type seat and a large footboard. It will offer an IP67 rated touchscreen unit with support for navigation, Bluetooth and 4G connectivity. The e-scooter will also have an all-LED setup for lighting and blacked out alloy wheels. Simple Energy Mark-2 will likely be powered by a mid-drive motor and a removable 4.8 kWh battery. The vehicle is touted to have a top speed of 100 km per hour and a range of up to 240 km per charge. It will sprint from 0 to 50 km per hour in just 3.6 seconds. On the safety front, the Simple Energy Mark-2 is likely to be equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels. It will also offer 3 riding modes: Eco, Normal and Sport. Suspension duties on the two-wheeler will be taken care of by telescopic forks on the front end and a monoshock unit on the rear side. The company has said the Mark-2 will be priced at around Rs 1.1 to 1.2 lakh and will be initially available in Bangalore. Please stay tuned to our channel for further updates. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.